am Supriya Nagabandi from Hyderabad. I have graduated my BTech in Jinaranama Institute of Technology and Science in the year of 2025. I have completed my diploma in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Right after my 10th standard, I'm very good at electronics. So I can say I have good experience in 6 years of electronics background. So I kept on myself in 1 month and thought of where am I good at, where should I go. So that 1 month decided my future to came Emertxe. I thought of what should I do. So since I have good background of electronics, why should I move this side? This AI booming world will not suit me kind of thing I thought. In academic teaching, I could say the teaching is something they explain the lessons. They were not about anything kind of practical. Even though they explain the languages like Python, SQL, they didn't provided any sources kind of thing. We should only find it and learn it from there. I learned theoretical part more or less from the academics only, but the practical knowledge I came to know from Emertxe. After coming to Emertxe, I thought I need to work hard. I work hard on assignments and projects, and also this objective exams. So after writing the objective exams, I was 40%. I thought this 40% will not help me anymore. So I worked hard in the assignments and also reviewing that objective sessions. After that, improved myself to 60%. I have completed 11 projects at Emertxe. Three from C language, 2 from data structures, and also STM32, 5, and Linux internals 1 initial. And coming to the process of Sandisk, it was initially 1 hour 10 minutes online interview. In the online interview, they asked about completely 5 projects. I explained around 5 projects and also the basics of C language, and also I solved one data structures question. It went well, around 1 hour 10 minutes. After then, I was selected for the further rounds for the F2F interview. The F2F interview was second round, technical again, and the second round was about 40 minutes. The 40 minutes also they concentrated more about the real-time projects and whatever the challenges I faced, cleared technical 2. After then, there was managerial round. On the same day, it was about 30 minutes. In the managerial round, they asked about my background and how did I came to Emertxe. During Emertxe, I attended UST Global initial round. I haven't selected. I attended Microchip. 2 interviews I have attended. Sandisk is my 3rd interview. The morning session was theoretical and afternoon is lab practice. I could say whatever the opportunity you get, should grab it.
My name is Aswathi. I am from Kannur, Kerala. I completed my BTech in EEE from Government College of Engineering, Kannur. I'm a 2025 pass out. Actually, I'm from EEE background, so I chose to specialize in an electronics domain. So me and my friends looked to join a course in embedded system. So we came across Emertxe. So I came with 2 of my friends here. In college, it was most theoretical based. Labs are there, but coming to programming language, it's not like that. But when I came to Emertxe, first 3 months were advanced C, where we are learning the theory concept, we are doing assignments, we are doing projects by our own, which developed more and more interest and more hands-on experience. Assignments and projects are very much important because assignments, with the constant support of mentor, we are doing the assignments and project. After the assignment, when we start doing a project, we are learning the concepts more and more. Like when we do a project by own, we are learning by ourselves, we are learning the mistakes, we are learning to code, learning to think by ourselves. So it's part of the logic improvement. So assignments and projects are very much important. Actually, I completed 11 projects in Emertxe. I have been going through drives for past 2 months. So my placement process was I was going through written tests and interviews. So finally I got placed in Sandisk with the support of my mentors. Coming from advanced C, I think the C is the most basic thing that we want through this journey. So for advanced C, the whole 5 project I did in advanced C, this 5 project gave me better understanding of the concept and helped me to improve my logic and coding. And also in microcontroller, also I have done 2 projects that helped me to know more about the microcontroller and the whole things that we need to learn. Actually, I have gone to 3-4 interviews before Sandisk. From the interviews, I have learned that how I should communicate in an interview and how I should think at that moment. So these help me in Sandisk with these the past experience from the interviews, I got to know which is my weak point and how should I approach the questions and how should I think at that moment. It has been good. I came here without knowing anything about programming, but with the 3 months from Advanced C, thanks to my mentors, I have got very good basic in Advanced C and then all other modules and also Linux also, microcontroller also. So it was a great journey with Emertxe. Do your best, do the assignments, do the project by your own, learn by your own. If you are consistent and if you are willing to do more projects and attend the classes regularly, you will get a good result.